Shalom and greetings. Mama Bell here from Healing Throughout. Today I'm going to teach you how to make organic coconut milk. Let's get started. Here I have a mature coconut, all organic. I have my knife, my coconut tool, my nut bag with my colander, and coconuts I've already broken in half. And I'm going to show you how to actually extract the meat into the Vitamix. Over here I have my Vitamix with the coconut water already inside. Let's get started. Your coconut tool is a wonderful tool that's specifically made in order to take out the coconut meat inside the coconut. Okay, I'm going to show you how that's done. The blade goes in between the shell and the meat of the coconut. What you're going to do is you're going to put it in between and slowly start to maneuver the knife inside so it starts to come apart from the actual shell. It takes some time. It takes a little bit of elbow grease here, but I wanted to show you the beauty of how this tool actually works. We used to use a butter knife, but we found out about this tool. It's a beautiful way of actually getting the meat coming out. As you can see here, the meat now is extracted from the coconut. You want to make sure that your coconut meat is not moldy or old by checking the outside skin of the coconut meat and also inside the shell. This one so far looks really good. Make sure you extract any of the coconut shell that's on top of the meat. Okay, take it apart a little bit here and add it directly into your Vitamix. Okay, let's get the other one out. Same thing, take your coconut tool and go all around in between the meat itself and the shell. After you have extracted all the coconut from the shell, you want to put it into your Vitamix. Go ahead and add some extra water along with the coconut water that's inside the Vitamix. Fill to the top. Make sure the lid is on securely. Turn on high and blend. After you have blended your coconuts into the Vitamix, you want to pour the contents into a nut bag and a glass colander. This is equivalent to 2 coconuts, coconut water, and about a quart of regular distilled water. Then you take your nut bag and you gently squeeze out the milk from the pulp. Now the beauty of making this milk is that you can recycle your pulp and make bread, cookies. You can actually make coconut flour if you have a dehydrator. Don't waste what you already have in the pulp. We normally give it to our chickens. We've made coconut flour, we've made coconut bread, we've made crackers and cookies with the extra pulp. Squeeze as much as you can out of the nut bag. Make sure your hands are clean. Gently pour the contents into a mason jar. Coconut milk, pure, should last in the refrigerator for anywhere between 2 to 4 days. The smell will start to change if it's starting to go sour and unpleasant to taste. This is pure coconut milk with nothing added. The ones you buy in the grocery store in the cartons have been added with other ingredients. This is pure coconut milk with coconut water and distilled water. Thank you for joining me today. Mama Bell here from Healing Throughout. For more information about how you can learn about health and wellness, please visit us at healingthroughout.com. Until then, shalom.